Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Arif Hussain. Basically, I belong to Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. I have completed my graduation Bachelor of Science in 2018 from Vinoba Bhave University, Hazaribagh. I always wanted to do a job in IT company. Then I got to know about Evision Technosa from my friend. I joined online 45 days job internship. During the internship, where I got experience in good technology like virtualization, window administration, CCNA, ITIL, Linux administration, and cyber security. These all technology are helped me to crack my job interview. And all the Evision team member, especially Ganesh sir, Sati ma'am, Priya ma'am, and Neha, helped me a lot during the internship and during the job interview. So thank you so much all the Evision team, and I am so happy to share you that I got selected in Cognizant with the package of 218 LPA. Lastly, I want to say that all the Evision team is very supportive and helpful. So thank you so much for the guidance and support.